Penalties to be taken at the Arsenal end. So here we go, captain leading by example. Gary Cahill to start the shootout against an old teammate in Petr Cech. What do they know about each other here? Well, Cahill knows you get it high and into the corner you score, and Chelsea go 1-0 up.
Good penalty as well. Long runner, long straight at the ball, and then just wraps his foot round it.
Well, now this is the difference, that Theo Walcott will come forward in conventional style, but the next penalty after this will be an Arsenal penalty. A, B, B, A, ABBA, and all the gags that go with it. Walcott. Past Courtois emphatically.
Well, if you thought Cahill's penalty was a good one, this is even better from Theo Walcott. In that height that you were talking about, even if he goes the right way, Courtois doesn't get the save here.
As I say, previous penalty shootouts have decided this trophy, but not one in this sequence. So Nacho Monreal has won this competition, this event if you like, twice before, and sends Courtois the wrong way. 2-1 Arsenal. A little tap of the nose there. Somebody must have shouted the Chelsea group. Oh, now this is interesting. I don't see this so often. Goalkeeper against goalkeeper. Courtois misses, blazes it over. In a bit too much of a hurry, Stuart?
I would say so. We were still looking to see who was coming, suddenly was there. I'm not sure he put a lot of thought into it. And way over the bar. Terrible penalty. He can't believe it, can he? Caballero looks away in disgust. He's hitting the halfway line for a goal kick with that one.
And it's saved. Morata. So it's gone from bad to worse for Chelsea. 2 misses in a row, or 1 miss and a save. Be fair to Petr Cech.
Oh, I think it may just hit the bottom of the post.
So Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain is to make it 3-1 in Arsenal's favour. He does.
Oh, they've been brilliant, Arsenal's penalties. Oxlade-Chamberlain right into the corner. Everybody waits to see which side Petr Cech goes, or Courtois goes down to. It's a very good penalty.
So for Olivier Giroud, potentially the big moment. And there it is! Arsenal have done it to Chelsea again. They've won their 3rd Community Shield in 4 seasons, and the champions beaten by the FA Cup winners for a 4th time in a row in this August event. Courtois shakes his head. He failed as a penalty taker and couldn't come up as a goalkeeper to bail Chelsea out for a long period in the second half, Stuart.
So the Community Shield is Arsenal's. They beat Chelsea.